The Escape lacks its adversaries in standard propelled security highlights. Passage has enhanced the Escape's crash security, however despite everything it lacks a portion of the opposition. We give it a 7 out of 10 on our security scale, with an additional point for new well-being tech and another for good government test scores. The NHTSA gives the Escape 5 stars in general. The score depends on 5-star scores for frontal effects and a 4-star score for rollover resistance.The says it's great in some front and side accidents, yet just worthy in little cover frontal crashes, no top safety pick grant. Passage presently fits some Escape SUVs with forward crash admonitions and programmed crisis braking. Choices incorporate front and back stopping sensors, programmed stop help, versatile journey control, blind side screens, and dynamic path control. All Escapes have a driver knee airbag, a rear view camera, and a framework that enables proprietors to restrict the Escape's vehicle speed, volume, and different capacities. All-wheel drive can be fitted to all Escapes. A tow bundle includes better headlights and trailer influence control, which utilizes solidness control to adjust for the shaking movement actuated by a trailer.